Alright guys, another unboxing. Today we're doing HuntVault. Let's open her up. Wow. Wow. That's a lot. So, wow. There's just a lot. Alright. Thunder Chicken. Yes. So, right off the bat, we have some information cards. It looks like some promo codes. A couple of cool little stickers. Looks like a t-shirt to match the sticker. Alright. That's cool. I'm done with that. What do we have here? Mountain Ops Energy Shot. You know, I've seen this stuff at Sportsman's. So, we'll have to give that a try. Alright, so, looks like we got a little phone protector deal going here. Protected by rocket science. Alright, so that's kind of neat. Kind of cool. What do we have here? What do we have here? Alright, so we have a knife. Knives are always good. Nice little assist open. Nice big fat grip for, you know, guys like me that have bare paws. Old timer knives. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. I'll post the specs here in the description. With a limited lifetime warranty. Alright. And the piece de resistance. This guy right here. The Camelback Trophy Hunter. This guy. Yes. I'll have to do a separate video on this guy. And it just keeps coming. It just keeps coming. A box inside of a box. What's inside the box in the box? Let's find out. What is this? What is that? There's nothing on the box to say what it is, but it's big. Oh, it's a tent. Because, well, you can't go hunting unless you got a tent. So, okay, honestly, I think I'm pleasantly impressed with my first HuntVault. You know, it's cool. I think there's some good stuff in here. Definitely excited to see what next month brings. So, I'll be doing a separate video on our new Fozy, our new phone protector, the Mountain Ops, and our new tent. So, alright guys, as always, please support the Wildland Firefighter Foundation. Please support Memorial Run, and of course Jamie's Fire Photography. Be sure and hit that like and subscribe button, and please check out the Patreon site, and I will see you guys next time.